Race number 7, your feature winners over 850, handicapped. Lining up behind the gate has one Wild Night for Kirk Paris. 2, St. Lad's Dogwood, Ernie Laughlin. 3, Just Feels Right, Tammy McKay. 4, Frisky Putnam, Carol Eisner. 5, Stars Example, Robert Laughlin. 6, Outside, Putnams Force, Darren Crow through the stretch. Here they come. And there they go. They're off and pacing. St. Lad's Dogwood inside, outside. Stars Example as they go through the first turn. Ernie Laughlin has St. Lad's Dogwood on the lead. Getting tripped out second is going to be Stars Example to a break. Sitting third was One Wild Night. They race the backside now, and Darren Crow says no to the 3-hole, and Putnam's Force up now to challenge St. Lad's Dogwood, and he'll grab the lead as they step by the opening quarter. Putnam's Force now clears to the pylons and has the lead. Second is St. Lad's Dogwood. Third, that Stars Example. Opening quarters put up 29 seconds even. Third is Stars Example from 4. That is Just Feels Right. Further back 5 to Frisky Putnam. Back pacing, and now stepping to the outside goes One Wild Night. Biased the first time, your pace setter is Putnam's Force, the free-legged pacing machine. Shows the lead. Second is St. Lad's Dogwood. Third, that is Stars Example, another 2 lengths. Fourth is Just Feels Right. They race the 5/8 turn halfway home. 58 and 2. Your pace setter is Putnam's Force on his helmet. Second is St. Lad's Dogwood. Grabbing on third is Stars Example. Further back 4 now to Just Feels Right. Then we go back to Frisky Putnam and One Wild Night by the 3/4 mile station. Putnam's Force and Darren Crow looking good on the front end. Second inside, St. Lad's Dogwood. 3/4 up, 1:28-1. And Stars Example now on the move. Second on the outside. Further back 4 to Just Feels Right off the 7/8 turn. And Putnam's Force by 2.5 now as they swing for home. Second inside, St. Lad's Dogwood. Outside, Stars Example. The Laughins will battle for place here as Putnam's Force under no urging wins it. Second, we'll give it to St. Lad's Dogwood. Third, Stars Example. 4, Just Feels Right. Time of the mile here in race number 7, 1:56.